In the dark hours of February 25, 1942, the skies over Los Angeles erupted in chaos. Anti-aircraft guns thundered. Searchlights crisscrossed the night. The city braced for an enemy attack. But there was no enemy. What triggered the U.S. military to unleash a storm of firepower over California? Some say it was a Japanese air raid. Others whisper of UFOs. But the truth may be even stranger. A perfect storm of war paranoia, media frenzy, and a ghost invasion that left Los Angeles shaken. This is the true story of the Battle of Los Angeles.